Welcome back! In this video, we're going to explore the financial module, starting with the Accounts and Balances application. This is where all the natural accounts are created and managed. The system allows you to drill down into account balances and view transaction summaries organized by financial periods. Let's begin by looking at the interface and understanding what information is available and how to access it. On the left panel, you'll see a comprehensive list of accounts. Some of these are system-generated accounts, created automatically when your instance is set up. These are known as system accounts. While you're allowed to rename these accounts, you cannot delete them or change their account codes. For example, an accounts payable system account under the 999 series is non-editable because it's essential for system operations. While system accounts have limitations, you are free to edit descriptions and create new accounts to match your business structure. Let's now look at an example, a bank account that falls under Assets, Current Assets. You can view its details across different financial years. For instance, in the financial year 2024, from January 1st to December 31st, you'll be able to see the opening balance, all debit and credit transactions, the resulting closing balance. You can also navigate to subsequent financial years. If the previous year hasn't been officially closed, you won't see opening balances for the new year yet. However, once the year is closed, balances transfer automatically. It's important to note that you can continue operating in multiple financial years simultaneously until a final closure is done. Selecting a financial year displays a month-wise breakdown of credits and debits. For example, if most transactions occurred in December, you'll see the highest values there. To explore any period further, you can click the three-line hamburger menu beside the month. This opens a detailed view showing where each transaction came from. You'll find the specific vouchers, journal entry types, narrations, exact values contributing to the account balance. This helps you trace every balance back to its source, ensuring transparency. Next, let's look at how to create a new account. Click on Add Account, then hit the plus button. Now let's assign an account code. We follow a customizable series structure to help organize our accounts better. For instance, asset accounts can start from 1, like 1XXX. In the same way, liability accounts from 2, income accounts from 3, expense accounts from 4. Since we are creating an expense account, we'll use a code starting with 4. Let's say we choose 405006 for this particular case. This account will be named Visa and Stamp Expenses. This is a new account that doesn't already exist in the system. The platform doesn't provide this by default, so we need to create it manually. Once we assign the account name and code, we'll proceed with classifying it accordingly. This is a user-created account, so you'll proceed by assigning a classification: asset, liability, income, expense. Since we're adding an expense account, choose expense. Next, assign a group. For the expense classification, you might have groups like direct expenses, indirect expenses. Let's assign this one under indirect expenses. System-generated fields like created by and created on will populate automatically. Optionally, you can add a local language description. Additional remarks to clarify the account's purpose. The status, active or inactive. Once all the fields are completed, hit Save, and your account is successfully created. You can now search for it by name, for example, Visa and Stamp Expenses. At this point, there won't be any balance until transactions are recorded. But once those transactions start, balances will automatically reflect. That's it for this walkthrough. In the next videos, we'll explore further functionalities within the financial module. Thanks for watching.